Okay, this is lesson 15-4, and this lesson is about cubes. A cube is a solid figure with 6 equal faces, 12 edges, and 8 vertices. So this is a face. Each side of the cube is a face. So this would be one face. 2, 3, 4, then there's one on the top and one on the bottom. Each face is a square with 4 equal edges and 4 right angles. So here's just one of the faces. 4 sides, 4 angles, and 4 edges. These are cubes. So they're showing you examples of cubes. And these are not cubes. This is not a cube. This is just a face or a square. And this one is not a cube. Why? Because these are not equal sides. All the sides have to be equal. You can use dot paper to draw a cube. The dashed lines show the edges that you cannot see when you look at a solid cube. So these lines in the back are representing the back of the cube that you can't see. Okay, let's look at number 1. Circle the cubes in the group of shapes. Be ready to explain how you know they are cubes. Is this a cube? Let me see. Does it have 6 equal faces? Yes, it looks like it has 6 equal faces. If I look up here, it looks very similar to the cubes up here, so yes, it's a cube. Is this a cube? Is this face the same as this? No, not a cube. Well, this is a triangle, and we know that that's not a cube. Here we have another triangle face. It has to be a square face, so that's not a cube. Last one, yes, that looks like a cube. It has a square face. Use the dot paper. Draw a cube. Okay, so it looks like they started in the bottom left corner when they drew theirs. I'll do the same. And I might make mine a little bit smaller. So if I'm going down, there's 3 dots I pass through. Here's 3 dots, here's 3 dots, and here's 3 dots. That's the way I know that it's an equal square. All sides are equal and it has 4 angles. Now I'm going to go back just once. Okay, now I need to connect my dots. And what they've done, see where they have the dotted lines? I can add in the dotted lines here because that's the back of the cube that we can't see. So it says, what solid figure has 6 equal faces? We would say a cube. What is the shape of each face? So what is this shape? It's not a rectangle because we know that's not a cube. It is a square. All right, let's look at the next page. Decide if the shape is a cube, then draw a line from each shape to cube or not a cube. Okay, cubes. Is this a cube? No, we know that's not a cube, so we would draw not a cube. Is this a cube? Yeah. This looks like the dice that we use in class, so I would say dice are cubes. This is not a cube. Yes, this is a cube. Number 4, you're just going to trace the cube shown below. So you're just going to trace the dotted lines. How many faces do you see? So if I'm looking at this, I really only see, here's 1 face, here's 2 faces, and here's 3 faces. I only see 3 faces, even though I know that there are 6 faces in all. There's just 3 that I can't see. Use what you know about cubes to write an equation and solve each problem. How many vertices do these 2 cubes have in all? So if I can't remember what vertices are, I can go back and look. The vertices are the corners. So I know that a cube has 8 vertices. and there are 2 cubes. So I have to do 8 plus 8 and come up with my answer. And that's how many vertices in all. Now we're trying to figure out how many faces do these 2 cubes have in all. Well, remember, each cube has 6 faces, so 6 plus 6 will give us our number of faces in all.